Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spotlight video on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video and you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to make the brightness a little bit brighter, and you can also adjust the contrast a little bit. You can even add in a little bit of color if you'd like to, and maybe more whites. Then you're going to select the video here. You're going to then go to mask and you're going to select the curve. You can either do this or make the background darker, which I think I might just do that actually. So here I'm going to go to this one and I'm going to go to adjustments and I'm going to then make it a little bit darker. Oops. Like that maybe. And then on this one, just a little bit of brightness here. Select the video, go to mask and select circle for the spotlight. And you're going to spotlight where the person is. So for instance here, maybe feather it out just a little bit. You don't want too much feather. Then you're just going to use the keyframe to kind of follow the person around. So like here. Oops, don't forget to put the keyframe in the mask. Okay, so here, move it this way, and then move it here, then move it kind of up here, and then down here, and just follow her motion. It does take a long time to do this, so just be patient. It is super tedious. And I think I'm just going to do this for now because it's going to take a long time if I try to do the whole video. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.